MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We've been taking apart the truck in the shop, and I'm gonna give you guys a little update to show you what the truck currently looks like, so you guys have an updated view of what we've been doing here. All right, so we have the truck completely dismantled, except for this steering wheel, because we needed it to go to the car wash, which we just came from. So we took the truck over to the local car wash and sprayed it down. So we got everything out of it, cleaned it out real good, and we're still gonna wipe some stuff down, but we cleaned it real good, clean as we could get it. I mean, it's 30 degrees outside, and we got a big ass jacket on. So here's the engine bay and cross members, things like that. See the little rust spots and stuff we got? We'll clean that up. And basically, engine bay is nice and empty, man. And we're gonna prep it and get it ready for the 2J. And here's the cab. I mean, the cab's got some little rust and stuff like that. We will be treating the cab, and we're treating all the rust on the body and the frame. And then we will have that cleaned up and ready to go. Now, let me show you guys the cool part. Look at the frame. Look at all this cool rust back here. So what we're going to do is we are going to cut the frame right about here. We're gonna cut the frame and we're gonna just trash all the back of it, man. We're literally just gonna trash it all and start over. We're gonna rebuild new frame rails, new cross members, and everything. I mean, we're just gonna do it over. Cap, the bed mounts and all that stuff will be moved. We'll just build new ones of those too. And we're just gonna do it all over, man. Look, we have all the stuff we need for the cage. We got all the stuff we need to finish up the frame, build everything we need we have in this shop. So we will be doing that here shortly. I mean, everything, man. We got everything we need, all the tools, we got all the steel, we got everything we need. So we'll be having that here soon. So if you guys want to know, quick update, that's what we got. And we'll be rocking and rolling here soon, man. And I have my rear tires. We're gonna start mocking up the 9-inch here pretty quick. We're gonna really try to get the bed off today. So we're gonna throw some jacks under there and see if we can break this bed loose from the frame. Because we got the bolts out, cab mount bolts, but its front two bolts aren't. Two front bolts are still in there, but we actually have the nuts broken from the bottom and removed. The two bolts that were in the back, we actually unscrewed and removed the bolts. The two front ones, the bolts are still in there for some reason, right here and over there. But back here, you see the bolts are actually out and over there. So we're gonna put some jacks on it, see what we can do. If not, we'll throw it on the lift and see if we can get this cab off the frame, at least to see if it's broken. Of course, we can't just pull it off right now because we still have the steering in there, but we will see if it's broken or not. We'll be doing that today, here shortly. I wish I could just video this and show you guys everything that I'm doing in real time, but I can't because it's just me and one other person doing the work, and I can't just sit there and video while somebody else is building my truck. So I'm actually hands-on with this thing, like all the time. Hands-on, hands-on, hands-on. The only thing I'm not doing is welding because I don't freaking weld. So, but I'm holding the pieces of metal as they're being welded together. I just can't weld. Don't know how. So I know a bunch of other things about a bunch of other things, just like you do, but I don't know how to weld. So we'll leave that to the professionals. So that's what we're doing. That's current update, and I'll catch you guys on the next one pretty soon. I'll give you guys an update probably in another couple days on the current status of the frame and all that other stuff that we're working on. But right now, we're doing big things, baby. So, hey, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel, or if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can actually get an update, get all the updates on this build. If you guys have any questions about the build, hit me on the IG, or post in the comments right here in the video, and or in any of the videos. I check all my comments, and I'll get back to you. Any questions about how we're doing it, why we're doing certain things or anything like that, just post it in the comments, man, and I'll get back to you. Pretty responsive. I check it about once a day. I guess that's pretty responsive. So just let me know, put it in the comments, and I'll get back to you. But make sure you stay tuned to the channel, man, because this thing is going crazy. I mean, it's moving real fast now. We got all the parts and you know, we're in the shop now, so we're moving as fast as we can. We're gonna have this thing done by March, April, full, like on the street, on the track. So let's, you know, stay tuned.